Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today, our first group, we will presentate about sanitation and hygiene. Group 1 member is Deski Rohaini, Dewi Nurul Fadilah, and Jidan Farandian Akbar. Instructional purpose. There are two instructional purposes. It is general and specific. For general, students can understand and describe material about sanitation and hygiene and apply it to everyday life. For the specific, 1, able to understand the definition of sanitation. 2, knowing the sanitation indicator bacteria. 3, able to understand the definition of hygiene. 4, knowing about food hygiene. 5, knowing about drinking hygiene and drinking water quality requirements. 6, knowing about industrial hygiene. And 7, knowing about housing and residential hygiene. So this is the flow chart. Sanitation and hygiene. Sanitation, hygiene, food, drink, industry, and housing and resident. Sanitation. Sanitation is the effort made by a group of people to create a clean and good environment to continue sustainable development. Purwa Amijaya 2020. Sanitation is an effort made by the government agencies of the community towards pollution that occurs on land, water, and air, which contributes the environmental preservation and plays a role in eliminating vectors and disease reservoirs and breaking the chain of transmission. Marina and Purwa Amijaya 2016. Effort that must be done. Provision of clean water or meet the requirement. Waste and wastewater management, a good housekeeping, vector control and rodent control, and build an integrated wastewater management installation. Sanitation indicator bacteria. There are 3 bacteria that use to sanitation indicator. First is Escherichia coli, or we know E. coli. E. coli bacteria are widely used as an indicator of sanitation. The presence of pathogenic E. coli bacteria in the water indicates that the water has been contaminated with human feces. This and 2, Streptococcus faecalis. These bacteria are good to use as an indicator if the distance between sampling and testing laboratories are far enough because they are relatively more resistant in water than E. coli. 3. Clostridium perfringens. These bacteria are rarely used as indicator of sanitation because the test method is less specific and dangerous because these bacteria are pathogens of food origins. Hygiene. Hygiene is an individual effort to make the condition of his body or of his body physical and mentally and the environment clean, good, and healthy to create a sustainable environment. Purwa Amijaya 2020. Hygiene is a public health effort that specifically includes our effort to protect, maintain, and enhance the health of the body and soul, both for the public and for individuals, with the aim of providing the basic for the continuation of a healthy life and enhancing the welfare and effectiveness of human life. Marina and Purwa Amijaya 2016. Source of the hygiene problem. First is housing. 2 is shelter, hospital, urban sanitation, clothing, public transportation, personal hygiene, industry, food, school, environmental factor. Government effort to assist and enhance the health status of the people by organizing and intensifying efforts in the field. 1. Prevention and eradication of disease. 2. Restoration of health. 3, information and health education for the people. 4, health worker education. 5, medicine and medical equipment supplies. 6, investigation. And 7, supervision and other necessary effort.
There are types of hygiene. First, food hygiene. Food function, energy sources, carbohydrates, protein, and fat. Bodybuilders, protein. Protector and regulator of physical work, mineral, vitamins, and water. Next, healthy food requirements. Hygienic, contains nutrition, easy to digest, do not have to hide temperature when eaten. Next, health interference due to food. Poisoning. Poison, there are two poison from the plants and animals, just like cassava, mushroom, and balloon fish. The contamination, food chain contamination, pesticide contamination, metal contamination, microbial contamination. And this is the table of types of diseases caused by viruses and bacteria. First, disease caused by viral like diarrhea, hepatitis, and bacterial, cholera, dysentery bacillaris, typhus abdominalis, and tuberculosis usus. Protozoa, dysentery amoeba, and metazoa, ascariasis, oxyuriasis, trichinosis, trisuriasis, ankylostomiasis, dracontiasis, diplobacteriasis, cysticercosis, teniasis, and fasciolopsis. Next. Prevention of food-contained diseases. First, selection of fresh raw materials. Storage of raw materials that are accessible animals, just like flies, mice, cockroaches, lizards, and extract. Third, hygienic food processing. Cooking utensils must be clean. Food processors are not carriers and do not get sick. Food serving is not exposed to animals and dust. And then the cutlery must be hygienic. Second, drink hygiene. Physical requirement, clear, unlimited, odorless, temperature below air temperature, turbidity less than 1 milligram, does not contain solid substances that contain suspend and colloids, dissolves oxygen and biochemical oxygen demand values. Chemical requirements, dissolved substance less than 100 mb per liter. Does not contain aggressive carbon dioxide substances does not contain sulfuric acid, does not contain ammonia substances, does not contain NO substances, NO substance less than 20 mg, substance chlorida less than 250 mg, substance sulfate less than 250 mg, substance magnesium less than 125 mg per liter, ferrum less than 0.2 mg per liter, substance manganese less than 0.1 mg per liter, substance arsenine less than 0.05 mg per liter, degree of acidity 6.5 until 7, hardness 5 until 10 degree. Organic substances less than 10 mg per liter. Bacteriological terms, drinking water must be free from microorganisms such as bacteria that cause viral disease, cholera, and dysentery. Drinking water that contains bacteria, although not a cause of disease, must be cooked first. Diseases caused when drinking water contains bacteria, namely typhus, paratyphus, cholera, dysentery, and other stomach diseases. Next, table 2, test of very standard method for inspection of water and wastewater edition 20. Parameter, physics parameter, smell, substance in dissolved, maximum level 1000 mg per liter, suspended solids 50 mg per liter, turbidity, taste, temperature, deviation free, color, electrical conductivity, and parameter of chemistry, iron 0.3 mg per liter, hardness, acid phenol 0.01 mg per liter, oil and fat 10 mg per liter, NBSA 2 mg per liter, organic substances BOG and COD values, and ammonia 0.5 mg per liter. As we can see in this table 3, water quality standard in public waters, we can conclude that each group has different water standards according to their needs. Just like Group A, the water for drinking water without prior treatment. Group B, water used as raw material for drinking water through treatment. And Group C, water for fisheries and livestock. The last, Group D, water for agriculture and urban business, industry and hydropower. Next.
Ya, Types of hygiene. Hygiene industry. To ensure the implementation of industrial estate development that is environmental sound, the head of the National Plan Agency in this decision number 6 of 1990 regulates the preparation of environmental information presentation containing is the identity, a brief description of the planned activities, is the kind of a planned activities, the planned activities, and the description of the planned activities, and a brief description of environmental hue, claim physiography, hydrology, the land and the land, biology, and social and culture. And then evaluation, handling, and monitoring of the impact of plant activities on the environment. Next. And hygiene, housing, and settlement. A house is a physical structure consisting of a room, a yard, and a surrounding area that is used as a place to live and a means of family development. RE Law Number 4 of 1992. Settlements are part of the environment outside the protected forest area, either in the form of urban or rural areas. Settlements function as a living or residential environment and a place for activities that support livelihoods. RI Law Number 4 1992. Health requirements for housing and residential environments according to the decree of the Minister of Health, Kemenkes nomor 829, Menkes SK 790 and 99 includes the following parameters: a building material, no made of materials that can release material that can be harmful to health, and no made from materials that can become pathogenic microorganisms to grow and develop. The component and the arrangement of the room. Floors are waterproof and easy to clean, have a venting, the ceiling is easy to clean, the house is 10 meters and has a lightning rod. The space is arranged according to its function and the ceiling is easy to clean. Illumination. Natural and or artificial lighting can last 60 lux and do not dazzle the eyes. And air quality, air humidity 40 until 70%. Sulfur dioxide gas less than 0.10 ppm per 25 hours. Air exchange 5 per min per occupant. CO gas less than 100 ppm per 8 hours. Formaldehyde gas less than 120 milligram per meter cubic. Comfortable air temperature between 80 until 30 degrees Celsius. Ventilation. The area of permanent natural ventilation holds is at least 10% of the floor area. Vector disease. There are no files, mosquitoes, or mice that nest in the house. the provision of water. Clean water supply facilities are available with a minimum capacity of 60 liters per person per day. Water quality must meet the health requirements of clean water and or drinking water. According to Permenkes 516 of 19 and 90 and Kemenkes 807 of 2002. Storage facilities food. Safe food storage facilities are available, and drain pipe waste, liquid waste, and solid waste do not pollute water source, do not cause odors, and do not pollute soil and groundwater surface. And occupancy density, the minimum bedroom area is 8 meter persegi, and it is recommended not to sleep more than 2 people. Conclusion: sanitation is an effort carried out by the government agencies, and the community toward pollution that occurs on land, water, and air, which contributes to environmental preservation and plays a role in eliminating factor source and reservoirs or disease and breaking the chain of transmission. There are 3 types of bacteria that are used to indicate sanitation problems, named Clostridium perfringens, the Streptococcus enterococcus group, and Escherichia coli. However, the bacteria that is often used an indicator of sanitation is E. coli. 2. Hygiene is a public health effort that specially includes all efforts to protect, maintain, enhance the health of body and soul, both for the public and for individuals, with the aim of providing the basic of the continuation of a healthy life and enhancing the welfare and effectiveness of human life. 3. There are several types of hygiene, including A. Food hygiene, B. Hygiene drinks, C. Industrial hygiene, and then hygiene for housing and settlements. Implication: can understand about sanitation, can know and understand about hygiene, can know and understand about food hygiene, can now understand about hygiene drinks, can now and understand about industrial hygiene, and can now and understand about housing and residential hygiene. And recommendation: understand deeper and learn broadly about sanitation and hygiene, and conducted field visit or observation to better understand the application of sanitation and hygiene material. Next, and reference Masri RM and Purwamijaya IMP 216 Healthy Technique Department of Civil Engineering Education Bandung, and Kemal Sujajadi 205 Journal of Environmental Health Vol 2 Nomor 1 Housing and Environmental Health. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.